Hello again guys, welcome to a new video. Finally the snow is arrived guys. First touchdown snow here in Edmonton. Look at that guys, look at that fresh snow, eh? Yeah, it's just a little bit snow guys, so next time probably we're gonna take with the snow on it, but the snow was gone, just a little bit snow. This evening we'll see, or tomorrow the next day gonna be snow again. And good afternoon Philippines and good evening Canada. Oh yeah, I just get up work guys, and I thought it's still snowing around, but it's not snowing, so probably as you can see guys, the fresh snow right here. And yeah, we'll give it a shot next time, eh? If we snowing, yeah, as the snow was in the road right now is slippery as well, so yeah, I have to be careful guys. If first snow touchdown, cause the roads and highway in the trails, it's gonna be slippery guys. Yeah, so yeah, we're almost at the crossing guys. So holy guys, what a Monday, eh? Another crazy super busy right here. And still all over Canada guys, COVID-19 cases is still rising up, so we triple our safety right now. And always stay cool, stay safe, stay healthy. We're in the crossing guys, crossing. Yeah, we're in the crossing right here guys. Look at that, it's quiet evening. In yeah, it's a bit colder right now, probably minus, I can feel probably 10 to 15 minus, so yeah, it's not too bad. So just a busy Monday again. So yeah, it's pretty quiet right now guys. Yeah, it's about the almost around 11 right now guys, right here. So yeah, just get up of work, another crazy day. Too many dramas again guys for Monday. I was like, really guys, you're off for 2 days and then you came in like, what the heck is going on? Yeah, so you know, part of your work job, so you have to be just stay cool and prepare for any complaints. Yeah, if we work guys, that's part of the thing, eh? So yeah, you can see this first snow right here guys. Yeah, awesome, eh? Okay. Well, yeah guys, so now guys, we're heading to my shortcut route, and I always use this route guys because it saved me about 10 to 15 minutes walk, especially winter season guys. Yeah, it's about the 11 in the evening here, eh? So look at that guys, look at that. It's so nice and quiet, eh? Yeah, so yeah, and then we'll see we'll see again tomorrow guys. It was gonna be how you call the sensation tomorrow for the work, because today guys I was totally surprised guys, like what the heck is going on really. And then I was, you know, I'm communicating with my co-workers, staff, supervisors and managers to fix that drama, you know what I mean guys. Yeah, to fix that thing, to fix that sensation, and actual that you're good to go, and then back to work. Okie dokie, look at that, eh? Look at that guys, look at that. Yeah, look at that guys. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at. Yeah. So I'm the only one here walking around, guys. See, first snow right here, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, it's a bit slippery, but I know this one is coming, so that's why I always if winter's coming, I always wear my winter boots. Yeah, winter boots right there, guys. Winter. Yeah. It's gonna be just the beginning, guys. Just the beginning. Just started. Looks like winter is here. Look at that, eh? What a quiet evening, guys. Yeah, is that so nice? Hey, it's so nice and quiet and so relaxing, guys. Like walking here in the park, like my shortcut road. I was like, holy, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.